I still God be call you. If you miss your call, I still God be call you. You don't know anything from the God. I wanna see the truth for you. You don't know anything from God. I want to see the truth for you. Oh. The many people to suffer, the many people to cry, the many people to suffer because of why. I see you are Messiah, you are Messiah. I see God because you. I see God because you. And why you rushing the many things of your life? It's so. Why you rushing the many things of your life? It's so. The thing you be rushing the material things. You know be thinking. Say you forget God your life. You be suffer for your life. I say you don't thinking. Say you forget the God of your life. You be suffer for the world. You be suffer for the time. Why you miss your call? Why you miss your call? I say God be call you. I say God be call you. Why you rushing the many things of your life? The thing you following. Why you rushing the many things of your life? The thing you follow. I see the material things you be rushing. You believe everything. Follow the God of your life. Oh. Everything become good. Oh, oh, oh. Oh, oh. Baba, I did for the corner. I'm suffering for my life. Oh. God, I'm dead for the corner. I'm crying for it every day. I need you for my life. Baba, 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 Igbe. I need you for my life, oh Baba. Oh Baba God, I say open the door for me. Open the doors of me. I'm crying for you this, I'm crying for you this. Try to help my life. My life be danger. Try to help me, my life. I'm crying for the everyday. My enemies to slander me.